What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Bonk, which hasn't moved much in value. It has dropped 6% in the last 24 hours and is currently valued at this value here. So where is this crypto heading to next? It's been quite volatile, as you guys can see here in green and red days, but of course overall it has been moving towards a positive direction. But is it going to keep going this way? Is it going to crash back down? Because there's been a lot of projects out there which over the last 4 or 5 weeks have pumped up, but over the week it has been crashing back down. So is Bonk one of them, or is it going to keep pumping up in value? And we're going to be also looking at, is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? If you are on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit before it crashes, or is it time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and also at the top we've got the usual SMA indicator giving us the average value of Bonk, which is here in purple, but we can see it trading at much higher value here in green, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking bullish, going towards a positive direction, and it is not looking too steep either, meaning this is realistic, guys. So an overall increase in value is what is expected from Bonk over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, Bonk should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. I'm not expecting any major pumps or bull runs or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal increase in value. As you guys can see, the blue and the orange line are both looking slanting towards a positive direction, not looking too steep, and that is exactly what we want. That makes a sustainable, slow and steady increase in value. Zooming into the hourly chart, over the next couple of days now, we have taken a U-turn on one of the lines. The orange line is not looking too good. It is looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction, and the blue line is literally flat out going in a straight line, is not looking bullish or bearish. So an overall drop in value is what is expected from Bonk over the next 7 to 8 days, guys. So mid to end of next week, Bonk should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Where I am expecting it to be heading down to is this value here, ending in 350. So that is the price range I'm expecting Bonk to be trading at by mid to end of next week. But that does not mean that it's going to start dropping in value from this point onwards. Of course not. It is likely to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment over the next couple of days before it slowly starts to drop back down in value. Again, as mentioned previously, guys, this is a very volatile crypto. It's been up and down all over the place, but so far it has been moving towards a positive direction. But over the next week or so, I'm expecting it to take a little bit of a step back, a little bit of a hit, shall I say, dropping down to 0. However many zeros, and then 3.5. Now let's zoom in into the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? So zooming into the daily chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking bullish, going towards a positive direction. However, the lines are looking way too steep, guys. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's been taking place over the last 5 to 6 weeks. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going at this current pace over the next couple of weeks as well. However, that is not the case. I don't know if this is something you want to hear, but I am expecting an overall drop in value from Bonk over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. So late December, early January 2024, I am expecting Bonk to have gone for an overall drop in value. And again, How deep is the drop going to be? Well, I'm expecting it to drop below this figure here ending in 100. Yes, it may be a bit of a hard hit, but only reason I say this is because it's pumped up so much over the last couple of weeks. It is currently overvalued, and its next step over the next couple of weeks is for it to take a step back, drop back down in value. And yeah, that is my prediction over the long term. However, if the crypto itself or the founders of this crypto do manage to go through an overall, upgrade or an update or a collaboration even, this of course could have a potential impact in a positive or negative direction. But either way, I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible. But at the moment, it is not looking too great for Bonk over the next couple of weeks and months as well, as I am expecting it to slowly start to drop back down in value. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator. There's no point doing the MACD, the Fibonacci scale. Only reason is it is literally in the top tier level right now, and if you guys want to see it in colors, I am expecting it to drop back down into the red zone over the coming weeks. And yeah, it should potentially be trading at its lowest part here, which is the red zone of potentially mid to late December. We should be hitting the red zone, or even before that, depending on how the crypto market performs. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also dropped by 23% in the last 24 hours, making it $75.9 million. Again, it is still a huge amount. However, the trading volume is slowly starting to drop over the next it's been dropping over the last few days and is likely to carry on dropping as well over the next couple of days and weeks as well. As the value drops, less and less people are likely to stop trading the crypto. And yeah, zooming into the 7 days chart, let's zoom out a little bit, guys. As you guys can see, 48% up over the week, and over the month a massive 1200% up since the start of, let's say, October. It's been pumping quite heavily, guys. So I would say it is very likely to come to an end over the coming weeks. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Bonk. For those of you guys wondering, would I buy it or sell it right now? From my prediction, you would have realized I would definitely not buy it right now, as it is overvalued and I'm expecting it to drop down in value over the coming weeks. So that's a straight no. I wouldn't invest into the crypto. But would I sell it right now? Yes, I would. But would I sell 100% of it? No, I wouldn't. I would probably sell most of it. So 75 to 80% I would get rid of, take out my profit. Again, I would only sell if I'm on a profit. The remaining 25% I'll probably hold on to it for the long term over the next couple of years to see if it does manage to pump and so on. So in that way, it works both ways. I've taken out my profit and I've still got some investment in Bonk. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on this crypto. Comment down below your predictions going into 2024. What is the highest or lowest figure this crypto can hit? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.